Hey everyone, welcome back to Vitality Vision. Today, we're tackling a topic that's been buzzing in the comments. How to effectively remove skin tags and warts overnight. If you're eager to learn some quick and effective remedies, you're in the right place. I'll share what causes them, how you can treat them at home, and a little personal story about my own experience. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable information. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's get started. So let's kick things off with a little story. A little while ago, my friend Sarah called me in a panic about a small growth on her neck. She was convinced it was something serious. It turned out to be just a skin tag. So, what exactly are skin tags and how they are different from warts? Skin tags are small, fleshy growths that can pop up anywhere on your body, even on your eyelids. Warts, on the other hand, are caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV, and can appear in some not-so-fun places like the genital area, cervix, rectum, or in skin folds. Skin tags are benign tumors, meaning they don't turn into cancer. Warts are caused by the human papillomavirus, or HPV, which is actually a group of 230 viruses. Some strains can lead to serious health problems, such as cervical, throat, anal, and penile cancers. It's something that you should find very concerning. Just remember, this information provided here is based on general knowledge and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional for the diagnosis and treatment of any medical condition. If you have concerns about your health, please seek professional medical guidance. Now let's hear some causes and some prevention methods. Now, you might be wondering what causes these pesky little things. For skin tags, three main factors come into play. Genetics. If your parents had them, you might get them too. Friction. They love to appear where your skin rubs together, like your neck, armpits, and groin. Metabolic syndrome. Conditions like obesity and insulin resistance can make skin tags more likely. For warts, it's all about the HPV virus. This virus can mess with your immune system, especially your natural killer cells. These cells are your body's frontline defense against infections and cancer. Factors like stress, injury, trauma, nutrient deficiencies like low zinc and vitamin D, chronic inflammation and aging can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible. Let's talk about some home remedies. A few years ago, I tried a little experiment on myself. I had a tiny wart on my finger and decided to try the iodine and garlic remedy. Here's what you do. Iodine and garlic. Take 1 drop of povidone iodine and mix it with crushed garlic. Apply this mixture to the skin tag or wart using a Q-tip, then cover it with a Band-Aid. Repeat this daily until it's gone. Trust me, it works. AHCC. This stands for active hexose-correlated compound, a natural remedy that boosts your immune system, especially those crucial natural killer cells. It can help clear out HPV from your body. AHCC has been extensively studied, especially in Japan, and has shown to be highly effective. AHCC may offer health benefits, particularly in terms of immune support, but it's essential to approach it with caution and consult with a healthcare provider to ensure it is appropriate for your specific health needs. The effectiveness of home remedies for skin tags varies, and while some people report positive results, scientific evidence supporting these methods is limited. Here's a breakdown of what is known about some other options for home remedies. Apple cider vinegar evidence. Anecdotal reports suggest that apple cider vinegar can help with skin tag removal. The acidity may cause the skin tag to dry out and fall off, but scientific studies on its efficacy are lacking. Banana peel. There is no strong scientific evidence supporting banana peel for skin tag removal. However, the natural enzymes in banana peel may have mild effects on the skin. Should you choose to try this method, follow these steps. To begin the process, select a ripe banana. Ripe bananas are preferred because their peels are softer and easier to work with. Start by cutting a small piece of the banana peel, ensuring it is large enough to cover the skin tag effectively. The inner side of the peel, which comes into direct contact with the banana fruit, is the part that will be used for this remedy. Application process. Place the inner side of the banana peel directly onto the skin tag. Secure the peel in place using a bandage or medical tape. This helps ensure that the peel remains in contact with the skin tag for an extended period. It is recommended to leave the banana peel on the skin tag for several hours or overnight. Many individuals choose to perform this treatment before going to bed, allowing the peel to work overnight. Post-application care. After removing the banana peel, clean the area with water to remove any residue from the peel. Pat the skin dry with a clean towel. It is essential to repeat this process daily for a few weeks to observe any changes in the skin tag's appearance. Consistent application is believed to be crucial for achieving potential results. Rationale behind the remedy. The rationale for using banana peel stems from its composition. Banana peels contain various enzymes and nutrients that may have beneficial effects on the skin. The natural enzymes in the peel might help break down the skin tag, while antioxidants and other nutrients could support overall skin health. However, it is important to note that there is limited scientific evidence validating these claims, and results may vary among individuals. Considerations and recommendations. Before using banana peel on skin tags, it is advisable to conduct a patch test on a small area of skin to ensure there is no adverse reaction or allergy, while banana peel is a natural and generally safe remedy. The effectiveness of this method is anecdotal and not universally proven. For individuals with concerns about skin tags, especially if they change in appearance or cause discomfort, consulting a healthcare professional is recommended. A dermatologist can offer more reliable treatment options and provide guidance based on the specific needs and conditions of the individual. Next, vitamin E evidence. Vitamin E is known for its skin healing properties, but its effectiveness in removing skin tags specifically is not well documented in scientific literature. Aloe vera evidence. Aloe vera has soothing and healing properties, but there is limited evidence to support its effectiveness in removing skin tags. Coconut oil. Evidence. Coconut oil has moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties, but there is no strong evidence that it effectively removes skin tags. Here is some general advice. Consult a healthcare professional. If you're considering home remedies, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional to ensure it's safe for you, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Professional removal. For more reliable results, especially for larger or more problematic skin tags, professional removal methods like cryotherapy, cauterization, or excision performed by a healthcare provider are recommended. While these remedies can help, remember it's important to address the root cause. This means managing stress, eating a healthy diet, and making sure you're not deficient in key nutrients. Some cautionary tales. Now here's where it gets interesting. I've heard some pretty severe cases from people trying to remove skin tags and warts at home without proper knowledge. For instance, one person used dental floss to tie off a skin tag, which led to a nasty infection. Always make sure you know what you're dealing with before trying any home remedies. If in doubt, consult a professional. Professional treatments. In my own experience, sometimes it's best to let the pros handle it. If you're really worried about a skin tag or wart, a quick trip to the dermatologist can save you a lot of trouble. They have treatments like cryotherapy, using liquid nitrogen to freeze off the skin tag. It sounds intense, but it's really effective. Excision, simply cutting off the skin tag. It's quick, effective, and you'll barely feel a thing. For warts, especially those caused by HPV, there are topical medications, cryotherapy, or surgical removal options. It's crucial to have a proper diagnosis to ensure that what you're dealing with is indeed a wart or skin tag and not something more serious. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of skin tags and warts, their causes, home remedies, and when to seek professional help. Remember, always approach these conditions with caution and don't hesitate to ask for help if needed. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe to Vitality Vision and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have tried any of these remedies, share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. The information provided here is based on general knowledge and should not be considered as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional for diagnosis and treatment of any medical condition.